Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw the cutest baby dragon ever. Did you know that in some ancient stories, dragons are said to have 3 heads? That's a lot of thinking. Imagine trying to decide what to have for lunch with 3 brains. Pizza? And oh, tacos. Oh wait, ice cream. Dragons can breathe fire, but not every dragon breathes fire. Some are known to breathe ice, or even poison. It's like each dragon has its own superpower. The smallest dragon in the world is called the flying dragon, and it's only about 8 inches long. That's smaller than a pencil. But don't let its size fool you, it can glide like a kite through the trees. In some legends, dragons can fly through rainbows. Imagine riding a dragon and zooming across a bright, sparkling arch of color. It'd be like the best ride ever. Some dragons are so fast they can fly from one side of the world to the other in just a few hours. That's like flying from your home to the moon. Only cooler. In Chinese culture, dragons are symbols of good luck and power. They're often seen as protectors of treasure, wisdom, and even the weather. If you see a dragon in the sky, it's probably watching over you. Some dragons live in volcanoes, because they love hot places. Like and subscribe to watch such more drawing videos. Thank you.